for a baby, the best food you can give is breast milk. I'm sure the mothers know that a newborn baby has to be fed only with breast milk until the baby completes 6 months. In fact, we call this exclusive breastfeeding. That is only giving mother's milk. That's all. No water should be given because breast milk contains 80% of breast milk is water. So baby gets enough water by drinking breast milk. And only through prescription by a doctor, certain babies would need multivitamins like small babies, low birth weight babies, and babies who are born preterm. Other than that, breast milk alone is sufficient until the baby completes 6 months. Why has the government decided to make this our national policy? Because in this day and age, we know that we do things based on scientific evidence, and there is a lot of evidence to say that mother's own milk is the best for a child to grow up getting nutritionally adequate food, as well as breast milk has many other properties to protect the baby during the infancy from various conditions. Not only during the infancy, even as an adult, it is shown that breast milk can protect people from the non-communicable diseases they get as adults. So that is why we say every mother, every parent should take all effort to give only breast milk to their babies until the baby completes 6 months. And after the baby completes 6 months, we know food has to be started. We call it complementary food. With complementary food also, the mothers have to continue breastfeeding at least for 2 years. With complementary feeding, breast milk can be given because again, there are many benefits a child would get by getting breast milk even in the second year. You can go beyond second year, there's nothing to prevent. The mother and the baby can decide when breast milk has to be stopped. So I'm sure all our mothers would want the best for their children to grow up healthily and also to be intelligent, confident children and adults. Breast milk helps. And not only that, they will be very loving children to the family, to the society and the country as well.